Alright fellas, I'm gonna show you two things in this video. One is gonna be you can hear the Dynomax race bullets from the cabin. Second one is, I'm pretty sure most people think that you have to upshift in these either with the paddle shifters or with the gear selector. You see I got it in sport mode. But what you can do is, you see my hands are not on the steering wheel on the paddle shifters. If you blip the accelerator, it'll upshift. Blip it again, I just dropped down 2 gears just by blipping the accelerator twice. So you can control your upshifts by the accelerator. I'll do it again. It's 1 blip, 2 blip, drop down 2 gears. I'm telling you, this German 8-speed automatic is a blast. I'll show you one more time. All right, fellas. Peace out.